Sending money from Pakistan to Thailand can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with all the necessary information to complete your transaction successfully. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Pakistan and Thailand. Some popular options include banks, money transfer companies like Western Union and MoneyGram, and online services like Z Money Transfer and TransferWise. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have selected a service, you will need to register for an account if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing some personal and identification information, such as your name, address, and passport number. You may also need to provide proof of identity and proof of address. Next, you will need to add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information if you are transferring money directly to their bank account. Make sure to double-check the recipient's details to ensure that the money is sent to the correct person. After adding the recipient's details, you will need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. The service will then provide you with an estimate of the exchange rate and the fees associated with the transfer. Once you have confirmed the details, you can proceed to pay for the transfer. This can be done using a variety of payment methods, including cash, credit card, or bank transfer. Make sure to keep a record of the transaction, including the transfer reference number, as this will be useful if you need to track the status of the transfer. The transfer time will depend on the service you use and the payment method you choose. Some services offer instant transfers, while others may take several days. You can track the status of the transfer using the service's website or mobile app. Finally, it is essential to be aware of the regulations and restrictions that apply to sending money from Pakistan to Thailand. These may include limits on the amount you can send, as well as requirements for reporting certain types of transactions. Make sure to check with the service you use and the relevant authorities to ensure that you are complying with all applicable regulations. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to Thailand is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By choosing the right service, registering for an account, adding the recipient's details, specifying the amount and currency, paying for the transfer, and tracking the status of the transfer, you can ensure that your money is sent quickly and securely. Remember to always follow best practices and comply with all applicable regulations to avoid any issues with your transaction.